Due to the simple system architecture and low cost, it is not limited to use in companies such as general community, hotel accommodation, government agencies.
This game-based language learning device integrates virtual reality, speech recognition, and image recognition. It's all used to interactive acquire the target language through brainstorm, oral pedagogy, and hands-on active feedback. It is provided for better learning effectiveness. Learning language becomes too fun and challenge.
This is our invention, multifunctional intelligence hearing back device, and our product is designed to help anyone who are disabled and hospitalized. We think it will decrease the cost of hiring caregivers and this hearing back spending.
Our product is resistance protect clothing. This clothing is depend on three main points. It is on safety, to avoid people or patients or elder persons to fall off the wheelchair. Second, dignity. It's just designed like a normal dress, so people will not just feel like bandaged by rope or the chains or others. The most important one is multifunctional, and we will talk about later.
Low cost and high conversion, easy to use interface.
Can simple and safe to set up. So this device can night drivers and bus drivers and home driver on holiday. Every car can use this device.
We made a VR remote control system. No matter where you are, as long as there is a network, you can easily control and manage your object, saving commuting time and money.
The caregivers are able to provide better care by understanding others' crossing parties, and the others will be able to receive better service and treat from the caregivers. All the data can be reviewed and checked at the app by the family member.
Love to show my invention more detail. FSR setting, we are made with 12 pressure sensors. The other 4 are used to detect getting out of bed, and the middle 8 are used to measure the pressure of the human body on bed.
This is the word behind the socket. Each socket has a Wi-Fi machine, expansion power socket matching. For example, expressed in the middle of when in the fire breakout, the sign will show a crying face. The home safely will report the fire station in a short time.
We use 3D printing technology. We use ABS wire and testable fluorescent 3D wire to make this lens shape. Advantage of removable combined lens shape, you can change the product that needs to replace. It enables you to be creative. Second, the wire we use of the effect environmental protect without waste. Third, cone point fiction types of removable combined lens shape structure that it's easy to disassemble.
The article sensor to detect whether it's water or drink in a bottle in order to develop a better water intake habit for children. When a child goes home, the parents can check the app and read the amount of water they had been drinking on that day.
We made it to save people from getting allergic, and also to not waste that much of the trash in the hospitals. So we made it, actually we added a sensor for it to know how much inside it and to know when we empty it, and if there is something like a middle that we don't have to put it inside. Besides that, it will save the workers' life in the hospital to recycle what they need and what they want.
Put down app in your cell phone and put it in your packet. If you falling down, your phone first time can arms and call phone your contact procession. And your contact procession give your call session. It can be call phone for your family.
This is my food flow chart. See patient status. The doctor gives the patient a standard value. The patient is using the bracelet. The watching detects the heart rate value. The value will be displayed on the phone, sent to the cloud to let the doctor know. These are our future goals.
We use an infrared sensor to detect whether there is a container will be filled with water, and the sensor is used to detect the height of the water container. Finally, an ultrasonic sensor is used to measure the height of the water level in the container to achieve the function of automatically stopping water addition.
We made this carpet for old people to put it next to the bed or in the house, because you know nowadays the most dangerous thing for people to happen to old people is when they fell down on the ground, and it's hard to go and help them in the exact time.
As the cooperation between stores and delivery platform gradually increases, in the future, we can use in all kinds of restaurants, in the catering industry, to make the working efficiency working of better.
创新其实本来就存在每一个人的 DNA 里面，就看你是要遵循依照现在的方式、现有的商品，不对它去做任何使用上的批判，你是迁就它来使。如果是像这样子的话，那人类的进步它一定是会被打破。就由于人类对这种不满足、不愿意妥协的个性，会让一个商品能够改良得更好，甚至有一个破坏性创新的一个产品出现。那我相信每一个人一定都能够做一个非常非常好的。
谢谢校长，还有组员，还有老师，还有大会给我们这个奖。谢谢大家的付出，谢谢。